Jesus! It feels like a race car. Let's start again. Take 6!
First car I've ever painted.
So fast through this! Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to Dean's Mk4 Fiesta track car.
Now yes, it is a Mk4 with a 5 front end and also something a bit different under the bonnet, an ST180 engine.
Yes, now I'm so curious, we've been following this for a while, I've always wanted to get into this thing, so let's find out what it's all about.
Let's have a look.
You and only you. It's 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 you and only you.
So guys, you join us out on the road in Dean's Fiesta. Now this is a car that we have followed for a while. We've known Dean for a while, but I've actually known about the car longer because Dean said he's had this car over 11 years. This is how long this build has been going on for. Obviously, first of all, I want to say a massive thank you to Dean. We really appreciate being a car down, man. Like I said, this is one of those cars I just could not wait to get into because I've been following it for a while. This is by no means an ordinary Fiesta. Now, it started like, I tell you what, let's let Dean tell the story because I love the story behind this car. Do you want to tell us how it started?
So I had it when I was 18.
Okay.
Literally had the car, paid £80 for it.
£80 that was, guys.
£80,
Yeah.
scrap value off my mate. Sold the seats out of it for 100 quid, so instantly I was on a winner.
No way.
So literally all the front end conversion, I preferred that front end.
Amen. I think a lot of people agree with that.
Yeah, like I said, I've done it all for college work. So literally the paint work and everything I've done in college.
Okay, yes, we should say you had a sprayer by trade.
Yeah, I paint cars. It was literally the first car I've ever painted.
No way.
Before I even picked up a spray gun, done anything.
That's
this was
amazing.
the first thing, like so.
See, so I love stories like this. Sorry, yeah, go on.
So yeah, literally, I had a Puma engine here before, which catastrophically failed. I was on track. So one of the boys said, "Why don't you just stick a boosted engine in this?" So here it is.
Yep. So as Dean said, it started off. I mean, it was a Puma engine before that you put into it on throttle bodies.
Yeah, on GMVs. Yeah.
Which is absolutely phenomenal. As Dean said, it blew up on track. So what have you got in there now?
ST180 engine, completely standard engine. Stage 2 intercooler.
Yeah.
Literally everything had to be custom, like the downpipe and all the pipe work, the cooling pipes.
Because
and
I don't know any other Mk4 5 Fiesta that's had this transplant. I mean, I don't know if it's been done before.
Yeah, I think it's about 5 or 6 now that's been done.
Okay. But it's still pretty special. I mean, you see the intercooler and you just think, right, this is special. I didn't realise until we sort of got up close and I got to know Dean, it was an ST180 engine. What power did you say it's running?
It's 240 brake. Originally, I thought when I had the engine, I'd keep it all standard.
Yeah.
Literally, I had to do everything custom, obviously, so it was easier seek.
Sorry, the kids just screaming it. It is that type of car. It's bonkers.
It was easier to obviously get a custom intercooler, and
yeah.
So for my ease, it was literally make everything from scratch sort of thing.
That's mad. This is one of those cars, it gets said a lot, built not bought. I mean, you literally saved this thing from the scrapyard and turned it into an absolute track monster. And like I said, Dean takes this car on track a lot. And one thing that surprised me, so my first impressions, apart from the obvious rattling, things like that, because you've got polycard windows, no interior. Now, Matt always takes a mick saying how quiet it is. It's so quiet. Like, it is good because we can drive along, we can have a conversation, but it still sounds really nice. So wheels and tyres.
Toyo Proxy R888.
Yes. Really
And wheels are Team Dynamics Pro Race 3s.
Yep. And exhaust-wise, because like I said, it is quite quiet. What exhaust?
Literally the 3-inch downpipe I had to make from scratch.
Wow.
I matched it up with the original exhaust system on here.
Okay.
And it's literally a full custom from like turbo back.
Wow. Jesus! Oh my god! I know I say it a lot, but like I knew this car was going to be quick. But I don't know if it's because of every other Fiesta I've been in. Every other quick Fiesta I've been has been naturally fast. But you know the torque from second then?
Yeah, it does spin up.
from low RPM, it literally just, oh wow. Yeah, I mean, and it's that coupled with the lack of exhaust noise, all you can hear is turbo noise.
Yeah, I say it's more that end than that end.
Wow. Right guys, so we're on our good roads now, so this I am very curious for, so yeah, let's see what she can do. Jesus. Like you said, you can see you are fighting with a bit of it, but it doesn't seem crazy. That torque. It's so weird because it makes like minimal sounds. And I just noticed Dean just said you haven't got power steering. He's holding this little tiny steering wheel. Oh, dude. Oh my god. Yes.
Temporary sunglasses.
Things I was to say, things flying everywhere. Wow. It's even knocked the camera sideways. I guarantee the camera didn't pick up how quick we were going up there. Now, a lot of the time when me and Kenny come up, we'll go up and lift out. You were flat out all the way then, I think. Wow, we knocked the camera. Oh, Jesus. Like I said, I knew, even knocked all the cameras sideways. I knew this was going to be a fun car. Like, I get it, there's a lot of cars that make me laugh. I could not stop smiling. And obviously you know this car inside out.
Yeah.
I can't remember if we said Dean's been building this for 11 years, so he knows how to handle this thing. I am so excited to get in that seat, so
Hang on, bud.
let's get stuck in. That's his first impressions. I look over and you're like, So we should say Dean's got a little tiny steering wheel. I don't think I've ever seen one that small.
I haven't, no.
And his seat's not adjustable. I'm so glad that you're going to suffer now because you can't adjust
Yeah,
the
we
seat.
didn't film me getting in yet because it did take a little while. Do you know, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know I'm gonna get out mine.
No,
so
I'll try and film him getting out at
no,
least.
please don't. Oh my god!
Yes.
Wow!
Didn't it go well?
Really well. I wasn't expecting that.
No. My reaction, I was exactly the same.
Now, obviously, we did see this at Coombe.
Yes.
I was on the same lap as him, and I got out of his way
yeah.
because.
And now you know why.
Now I know why. Yeah, this does. Honestly, I didn't think it'd go this well.
It's got that torque that your Type R obviously lacks.
Yeah, but being a Mark 4/5,
Yeah.
it
same
has
thing.
the weight, well, a lack of weight,
Absolutely,
which makes it
yeah.
just feel completely different from driving a Fiesta Mark 7.
Yes. Now, this is what I was going to say. We've dealt with this platform, this running gear in the Mark 7s. I've openly admitted they're not my cup of tea. They feel bland as a package, whereas this, same engine, but man, it feels alive.
It really does, you know?
I know it's a bit unfair because you're stripped out, it is light, you've got the cage and that, but to me, the engine even feels more alive.
I love it. This steering wheel's really strange though, because it's so small.
You remind me of like literally Donkey Kong and Mario Kart.
And chuck bananas out and stuff. So look at even the cooler.
It works.
It does. It's blowing cold air straight on my face.
He has got a roof scoop. I will get a shot of it. He's got a roof scoop. And
It works really, really well, doesn't it? I was thinking, I thought you were blowing on my face for a while. I don't know what it was.
It just keeps pulling, man.
It's mental, fair play. But it feels so fast through this.
Yeah.
Oh, honestly, this is one of the most fun cars we've had.
I was just going to say, we seem to say it a lot, but we're obviously stepping it up. Because
This is mental. So much fun, that power delivery. That turbo just doesn't give in.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, it's so responsive. And the steering, amazing.
I can't help but just see you like...
I know. It feels weird though, because of the lack of power steering.
Yeah.
In a good way.
Yeah.
So when you feel everything.
I
it's
love no power steering,
You can feel like then I lost a bit of traction due to elevation.
Yeah.
And you can feel it through the steering. It's mad, you know, it's
Look, as a passenger, man, Jesus. Oh, wow.
So it's still in third. It did. What a fun little car. Now I know why he goes so well on Castle Group.
Yeah, now you know why we couldn't catch him.
Yes. It is. What a package. Oh. So fun. And the whole race car, it feels like a race car because it's so empty.
Yeah.
Honestly, I love this car.
I got a good rush from that, then. We come up and down here a lot, but that's
what I was saying. This is one of the most fun cars I think we've driven up there, you know?
I can tell, do you know, by the way you were driving it, it's a compliment because it gave you that confidence.
It did, yeah.
But you were obviously having fun.
Oh, honestly, I'm not just saying it. We've had a really good day today as well. We had such a laugh with Dean and his partner, you know, and it's just been so much fun. And this just adds to it, you know. This car is so
This is why we love cars.
Doing it, and it is. And the thing is, because it's so basic. Once again, I wasn't really expecting a lot from it.
No.
Well, no, it's a Fiesta with an ST engine. We've driven a few of them.
Yeah.
But that engine in this car, honestly, if you're going to do a conversion,
match made in heaven, absolutely.
It's perfect for it. It really is. COVID. Something I didn't know about? Right, okay. Sorry about that.
Take two. Did say about little torques there. Oh, yeah. And it's not too bad.
Is,
controllable, yeah. God, this steering wheel's mental. Even in fourth, God,
it's just balls, isn't it? Torque for the hill as well, though, haven't it? You know?
It's literally like it's nothing. The confidence it gives you.
I know. Now, you said it's running a Puma.
Oh yeah, I did ask. It's got a Mk6 1.6 box, I think he said, with a Puma racing diff. And I think, like you said, even when you lose a bit of traction, you get such good feeling. But this whole, to me, it's a bit close to steering wheel, but the feeling you get, and there's no power steering. Sorry, I want to have one more little blip. God, yeah, you are fighting with it, but
it's worth it.
Yeah,
it's worth a battle.
Woo. Man, what a rush!
Class, isn't it?
Once again, you're gripping the steering wheel.
It's such a fun car.
Yeah, and that's something, like we say, you can never portray over a video, but man, what a fun car. Like I said, the roads are not the best up here.
Yeah, but that's what makes it more fun in something like this.
I almost felt
some things you're a bit scared.
Yeah, I almost felt bad because but Dean, I want to reassure everyone, Dean told us to hammer this thing.
Yeah.
And it felt really dramatic going up the hill, and you're sort of, oh yeah, thank you. But
yeah, this is it, isn't it? But
my adrenaline's pumping. That was such a rush.
So I mean, we drive some really high-powered vehicles up through these, and you're almost easing off because you're always overthinking, like, because of the road. But this seems to really take him well.
Yeah.
It wanted, you know, it just feels like it wants you to keep going and it wants you to.
Yeah. I was going to say, it encourages you to do every Mk7 Fiesta we've driven. It just feels like they're like, no, whatever.
We're gonna have a little bit of boost. And
it feels like this car is like, right, come on, give me what you got, come on.
That's all you got?
Yeah. I literally feel like I was trying to show this car. I don't know why, but I was like right,
you can't do nothing. Like, yeah, exactly.
But that's what I felt like, and I've never driven a car like that. I don't know what it is.
I haven't.
I don't know if it's a mixture of modern and like old and like race car feel, because like you said, it's the race car feel that makes the experience.
It is, yeah, and like I said, that engine works so well with this car.
Yeah.
In the 6 is really, the 7, it's really refined.
Yeah.
As we always keep saying. Now in this, it's raw, so and also it's a lot lighter.
Yeah.
So it just feels a lot better. Now this engine doesn't feel like this in a Mk7.
No, definitely. I would like you said, if you're going to do a conversion, do this one. Everyone needs to feel this car. Woo, what a car, Dean. Fair play, man, what a car.
I love it.
Right, I was going to say the Mk4 Fiesta, but this is a very special one. If we've seen, this is by far standard.
Far standard?
By far. Start again. By far standard.
Oh, bloody hell. That sheep looked over. What the f is he on about?
This clip's going to be about 20 minutes long. Hang on. It's by far standard, yeah?
Take 6.
Ready?
Yeah,
try again, shall we?
You ready?
Probably not.
No.
So, Dean's Fiesta.
Now, it's far from standard.
Far from standard.
Yeah. Now you've got a Mk4, Mk5 and Mk7 thrown in it, and a Mk6. So a bit of everything.
It is literally a bit of everything. And like we said, as a package, my God, this car, what a pack. Ford should have done this from the factory.
Yeah, this really works, doesn't it? Everything about it.
I mean, even the looks on it, and I do want to say, we didn't mention the colour, which is probably one of the most outstanding features.
Yeah, true.
Now, as we said, Dean is a painter by trade, and Kenny asked him what the colour was, and he said, well, it was Focus RS green, but then he just got the gold and white pearl and just shoveled it in, and in the right light, you really can see it.
No, it does look awesome, fair play.
And this is one of those cars I could talk about for hours and hours,
I do want to say,
though,
is it faster than Matt's?
Ooh!
I think so.
Dean, what are we saying?
Yeah, thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
I think we just started a war.
A little bit of personal banter.
Yeah, I think we better end it there. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We will see you in the next one.
Boom.
Boom.
Sorry, Matty.